welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we are going to be doing a beautiful, timeless Valentine's Day look with all affordable products. So before we get started, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. Alright, so today's video is actually being sponsored by Ana Luisa Jewelry, and I am a partner of theirs, and I absolutely love their jewelry. These earrings are from them, my necklace is from them, and it is actually for my birth date, so for March. And the reason why they're able to give you such great prices is because they use 100% recycled gold in their jewelry. They also cut out the middleman. They also source all of their jewelry very responsibly, so I really enjoy this company. I thought it was perfect time to kind of show you what my favorites are right now, and it's Valentine's Day, so if you want to treat yourself or a significant other, I welcome you to go into the description box. They have given me a code that I don't get anything from, so it's just a discount code for you guys, and that'll be in the description box for you. All right, so today we're going to actually be playing with some new makeup that I have tried a couple of times, but they're brand new launches, and I'm just going to pop on a little bit of eyeshadow primer. How you guys doing today? We're going to do like a little get ready chit chat with me too. We're doing great, and Gray is doing fantastic. We're not quite sure. There's so many things we're doing that are helping her. We're not quite sure what it is. I think it's because we cut dairy out of her whole diet. Keto really wasn't working until, I don't really know if it is working because we changed her meds. It's kind of an all-around mess, but it's going great. So no matter what we're doing, it's going great. There is some research out there that has to do with the dairy allergy and seizures, so it's kind of an interesting thing. All right, so we're talking today all about the brand new palette from ColourPop. They sent this to me in PR. It's called All That, and it's this beautiful, I love the colors. I think they're stunning. I love that there's a bunch of mattes in here as well as some kind of sparkly, more, sparklier colors. All right, so let's get started. So we are going to start by packing on the first shade, which is going to be Uncuffed, which is this flesh tone color for me. I love that they have this one here too, which is called BB Girl, and it's a little bit more pink, and that would be fantastic for somebody that has a little bit more of a medium skin tone. The shadows in this palette are really pigmented. I love that, and the price you can't beat with ColourPop. And so I'm appreciative that they sent this to me, and I think it would be a beautiful, Valentine's Day present to yourself or your significant other. All right, so we're going to build some colors today. So we're going to start with this one, which is called Cha Cha, and it's a perfect kind of transition shade. The colors in here obviously lean a little bit more towards a warmer tone, reason being because it's very on trend and theme for Valentine's Day. We're just going to pack this color in the crease. And if you guys didn't see my recent video about how to layer more shadows than just one, you can go in and you can see the techniques on how to do it for somebody that's just kind of learning. All right, so that is the first kind of layer. Then we're going to go in with the color Wink, which is right here, and we are going to build a little bit more intensity in the same place, a little bit more intensity in the outer crease. So we're not going to bring this color super pigmented all the way in. Now we're going to go into a deeper color, and this one is called Please Me, and it's a deep kind of burgundy color. And I'm going to switch to a much more detailed brush. This is a pencil brush, and the reason being is because I really want to strategically place this right here, and then we're going to blend. I love these colors together. It's fun to wear different colors, instead of just the browns all the time. And if you don't bring this color too far in, like all the way on top of the eye, it won't give you that kind of sickly look that most people are pretty afraid of when they use this type of color. So that's why we have laid down this lighter color here first. And I'm just going back and forth, and I'm just building up saturation. Love that. These colors are so great. All right, so now we're gonna go in and play with a little bit of shimmer. We're gonna do this color right here, which is called Uncensored, and you do not need to dampen your brush with these, for at least for ColourPop. They transfer to, look at that, woo! They transfer to the lid beautifully, just with your finger. Gorgeous. Now this is a new brand that I heard about from you guys. This is a very affordable, cruelty-free brand, pretty clean ingredients or more natural ingredients on Amazon, and it is called Undone. We're gonna be using their eyeliner and their foundation today. This is a really neat eyeliner because it's like a stamp, and it also has this great angle to it. So we're going to just stamp a really great light flick, just like that. Stamp, stamp, stamp. And this is like a chocolate brown. Yeah, that eyeliner is actually super easy to use. I've never used this eyeliner. Extremely easy to use. Okay, so let me go finish the rest of my other eye and I'll be right back. All right, I love how the eyes have turned out. Super pretty. That liner is so easy to use. I can't even tell you. Do you see how liner just changes the way the eyes look? Love it. Okay, so we're actually gonna then try another new brand. I don't know if you've ever heard of it, but it's PYT, and it is a vegan cruelty-free brand as well. And they actually ban all of the 1,300 ingredients that the UK standards ban in all of their cosmetics. So they sent some stuff to me and I'm loving it. So this is their two-ended mascara. Okay, so if you're looking for a non-toxic mascara, this is one to try. So it comes with a primer first and then a mascara on the other side. I've already curled my lashes. Let's do it. And I love that the primer is clear.
I won't get close to you.
All right, see how that mascara really works well. All right, so before we do any on the bottom and all that good stuff, let's go into foundation. So this foundation is brand new to me. It's called Undone Beauty. Like I said, it is a vegan cruelty-free brand. This is supposed to be a light coverage, and it is, I'm in the color Buttercream. I will tell you, when I went on to Amazon to buy some of these products that you guys have talked to me about, their color selection isn't great for foundations, which is pretty standard for brand new brands or brands that you really have never heard of. But this one could be definitely improved upon. Now, when I apply this, I've only used it once, and I like it with a dry beauty blender. And I'm just using the one from Elle, and I actually drag it along the skin, and it is absolutely a hybrid between a tinted moisturizer and a lightweight foundation because it is so light in coverage. It just makes the skin look very perfected and nice. You can build this up a little bit, and that's why I'm not using a damp beauty blender. You can totally use your hands and you'll get a little bit more coverage, and I'll show you that's kind of what I do at the end. But it is like an everyday wear foundation. If you guys want me to do a full foundation Friday on this, let me know. All right, so this is where I stop, and then I'll show you. I take a little bit on my hand and just build it up ever so slightly. It doesn't build up a ton of coverage, just so you guys know. Like, you're not gonna get even a medium coverage out of this. It's just a skin-like, skin perfecting foundation, which I'm not mad at. And I love that it's affordable and it is vegan and cruelty free. All right, everything is on, so let's get to finishing this up. We're gonna use this actually beautiful blush, also from PYT. They call it a blush, but it is I'm gonna be using it more as a bronzer because the color just does that for me. It is a matte, and I'm just going to use that as a little blush bronzer. So you can absolutely do that. Just pick one that's just a little bit warmer, so it's gonna give some warmth to the face. And I'm actually, since this is more of that kind of flushed cheek schoolgirl look, kind of, I guess, or something that I would wear when I would be going out to a date with my husband, which rarely happens. But I'm gonna focus this on the high points of my face. And what this is gonna do is it's going to bring the face up. So even with the eye makeup, it's all going up. Same with the cheeks. And a little bit down here. And then I'm just gonna go with my Milani blush. It's one of my favorite blushes, and this is in number 1. And just, again, high points of the cheeks for lifting. Okay, now for me, this is the star of the show. I have been wearing this non-stop. It comes in a pack of 3, so there are 3 different colors. This is also new from ColourPop. It's called Just a Tint. It literally is just a tint. And this is in Gimme S'more. And I literally have been wearing this absolutely non-stop. Isn't it? I love this color. It might be a little brown for the eyes, but it's okay, I think. What it is that for me, it makes my lips look so full, so plump, and just a hint of something. It doesn't, you know, it's not a ton of color on the lips. I just have been obsessed with this. All right, so, and if you guys are asking, by the way, I have the new Jouer concealer back on. I mean, it just literally, it's what I wear every single day. So it's beautiful. I love this. I hope that this was fun for you. I never really do themed looks, and I just want to open up and explore and have a little bit more fun with skincare and makeup, and this definitely was something that I really enjoyed doing. Let me know what you guys are doing on Valentine's Day, and always, as I always say every year on Valentine's Day, it really isn't about if you have a significant other or not. It's about sharing love with other people, friends, family, your pets, and also self-love. That is what Valentine's Day is about, in my opinion. We don't really do a ton on Valentine's Day, but I do love to do inspired looks. I do love to shower my husband with love notes all around the house. But whatever you're going to be doing, just know that if you are alone, or you're just spending it with your pet, or you're just spending it with family, or you're actually giving yourself some self-love on that day, I commend you and I love you, and I hope you all have a fantastic holiday, and I'll see you in the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, guys.